this is my kitchen clock, and I recently noticed the time was not correct, and I tried to replace new battery, 5 to 6 different battery, and still not working. So I tried to do the one before. I will fix 2 or 3 other clock, three other clock, and replace this one. And after I replace with the right size, and just like that, now it works. So this one is old and it's not working, even had new battery in. So after I replace it, and it worked right away. So I saved my clock. Yay! Happy, happy, happy.